Hi, I'm Jonas from Rittal. For sure, you already know the VX plinth system, but did you also know that you can configure the installation of the plinth via RiPanel in just a few clicks? Let's take a look how it works. The first step is to select an enclosure, and for this I choose the VX258806. You will see the plinth in the top accessories. Simply select the height, the version and add it to the configuration. Here I select the cable support rail, which can still be freely positioned. An additional chassis for cable routing. Here you can see all the articles that are relevant for our construction. Finally, you have various options, from ordering till downloading the data. Configuration made easy, just try it, visit our website.